Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. As always, before we begin, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content. Really appreciate all your support. And with that being said, we are taking a quick look at XRP's chart here. As you can see, still getting rejected at this bear market resistance. We're really grinding it out over the past few weeks at this level, aren't we? Desperately trying to break through. Obviously with the threat of the release of those Hinman documents in the SEC Ripple case, we did potentially start to see this wick. A little bit of a breakout here, but got big wick rejection and rejected all the way back down inside again of this level. You can see we've been rejected at this place multiple times now. I'd say 4 or 5 times. This bear market resistance really proving to be a huge roadblock for XRP bouncing to the upside. But I do think we're probably getting fairly close to a bit of a breakout now in terms of price. You can see very clearly here for XRP that we are basically just grinding to the side. Grinding to the side here underneath this resistance. We are tapping it multiple times. You can see here grinding on the resistance here. We've got the wick all the way to the upside there, and then the big rejection inside. I actually had a long position down ready in this area, and it looks like I've literally just been tapped into that. Targeting back up at the top of the range again. You can see obviously we've been inside this range. Support, resistance, support, deviation outside, support again, resistance, and then going back down towards support again. I actually had the position entered early because I didn't want to miss out on a potential bounce after that fairly obvious overreaction at that level. You can see we came down, just tapped my entry point, got a nice bounce to the upside, rejected under that bear market resistance again. Now retracing, I'm sitting in a little bit of a decent amount of profit here, I would say. Looking like we are just consolidating, probably going to be doing something like this for a little while. I'm just going to keep this position open because I do think if we come down and backtest that 023 again, we are definitely going to get a bounce, in my opinion, in this area. This has been quite a good area of support recently, apart from that one deviation here. And in my opinion, I think XRP is getting very primed for a breakout. Really not that much going on in terms of the chart for XRP. We are just kind of grinding under this resistance to the side, really, aren't we? Waiting for our chance in the sun, our chance to shine, if you will, for this crypto. Obviously the SEC case keeping the price suppressed as well, but I mean, this thing is coiled up like an absolute spring right now, in my opinion. You can see consolidation here. We come up. Obviously we got that rejection because of the FTX collapse. We come back down, consolidating, breakout and back test of that first bear market resistance. We run back up again, consolidating under this resistance here. We're just getting very coiled up right now. The price action getting very coiled up, and we've got that perfect little reset on the RSI, etc. now for potentially another push up above this bear market resistance. Obviously every day it does get lower and lower and easier to break, and obviously if we break up above this and we could start to break away from this area here, we could be looking at some very nice clear skies for XRP to be moving up into. You can see this is a very key level and area of previous bull market support as resistance here. As you can see, I do think it's fairly likely that we're probably going to see XRP breaking out of this level in the next few weeks, the next few months probably, unless we see a huge collapse in the markets. But with Bitcoin looking how it is, quite bullish, I think eventually XRP is going to break out here, and if we can get up above this level here and then above that 60 cent-ish level at the 0.38 Fibonacci, we could be looking at making our way up through the fib levels pretty quickly, back up towards that $1 level, the sacred $1 level that we've not seen in God knows how long. So very interesting times ahead, in my opinion. Got lots to look forward to also, in my opinion, so we will see what happens next. Overall, feeling very bullish on XRP long term. The weekly time frame will confirm that this thing, I mean, we could be looking at some very tasty prices in the next coming bull market. You can see our Fibonacci extension here, even just up to this level here at the 1618 would be a lovely price target up at around $6 or $7. Obviously that'd be a very tasty 10x from the current price for XRP. Considering what we've seen, I do think that this is fairly achievable as well. Not too ridiculous of a market cap, and then anything beyond that we shall see. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please do like and subscribe, get involved in the content, leave a comment down below and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.